Hey everyone, today's session we are diving into Salesforce Marketing Cloud Personalization to explore how sitemap configuration and content zone can elevate your personalized marketing strategy. So, ever wonder how top brands deliver personalized web experiences seamlessly? The secret lies in effective sitemap configurations and content zones within Salesforce Marketing Cloud Personalization. So, in the overview, introduce the importance of sitemap and content zones in personalizing user experiences. Highlight the key topics to be covered, like understanding sitemap and their role, defining and configuring content zones, step-by-step implementations guide, best practice and common pitfalls. So let's get started. So configuring the sitemap and content zones. So first we are know about what is sitemap. So explain that in the context of marketing cloud personalization. Sitemap is a configuration driven integration layers that maps key business object into the personalization system through event capture. So discuss its role in defining page types, capturing users interactions, and facilitating personalized content zones, content delivery. So its key components like a global configuration, like setting applied across all pages. Page type is specific configuration of for different types of page, for example home page, product page, etc. And listener events in the mechanism to capture user actions and send corresponding event to personalization. So here the implementation part first, to implement in a sitemap, follow these steps, like initialize the web SDK. Like we can by initializing the personalization module of the Salesforce interactions SDK on your website. This step is crucial for tracking users interactions. And the second one is configure the sitemap JavaScript objects. Define the global configuration to specify object monitored across all page types. Then set up page types to detect and match different pages on your sites. And each page config should include properties like name, action, and is mapped to identify page type accurately. So the last one is initialize the sitemap. After configuration, initialize the sitemap to start monitoring and capturing events. This process ensures that your website's structure is effectively mapped for personalization. So in for more step by step walkthrough, check out the official Salesforce guide on sitemap implementation. So here is the all about the sitemap. And second one is a content zone. So after implementation of the content zone, we are we are knowing about what is content zone. So content zone defined as a specific areas on a website designated for rendering personalized campaigns. So emphasize their importance in targeting and delivering relevant content to users. Configuration details like name, unique identifier of the for the content zones, for example home, hero, product details, and in the selector CSS selector that target the HTML elements where the personalized content will be injected. Commonly used content zone like provide for example such as like home hero or home banner for the home page banners, and product details for product recommendation or on product details pages. So here is the implementation part of the integrating and implementation part of the content zones into sitemap. So first we're defining content zones in the sitemap, like within your sitemaps global or specific page type configuration. Declare content zones by specifying attributes name and selector. The name is required and identifies the zones, while the selector is the CSS selector targeting the HTML elements. Assigning content zones to template, when creating templates, assign them to the appropriate content zones. This linkage ensures that personalized content is rendering in the correct areas of your website. So in the testing and validations part, first one is use the visual editor. This is the follow after the configuration. It's essential to test and validate your setup. So first one is use the visual editor. Salesforce provide a visual editor to preview and adjust your sitemap and content zones. This tools helps ensure that your configuration align with your personalization goals. Monitor event tracking. This step is verify that events are captured correctly by reviewing the data collected. Accurate event tracking is crucial for effective personalization. For more on testing and validation, see Salesforce documentation. So um, this is all about the implementation part. So So there is some practice and pitfalls. Like first one is start with a clear sitemap blueprint outlining site architecture, catalog, and user attributes. Define content zone that align with business goals and users engagement strategy. Regularly test and validate configuration to ensure accurate data capture. So common pitfalls like overcomplicating the sitemap with an unnecessary configurations, neglecting to update the sitemap as the website evolves, ignoring the importance of accurate CSS selectors for content zones. So summarize the importance of well-configured sitemap and content zones in delivering personalized user experiences. So, sitemap configurations and content zones, you unlock the full potential of Salesforce Marketing Cloud personalization, delivering tailored experiences and that resonate with your audience. So, if you find this video helpful, please do the thumbs up. And have questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below, and we will happy to assist. Thank you for the joining and watching. Thank you so much.